Yes, yes, please, next matter.
Item number 5.
I'm appearing for respondent number 7.
Yes, what is the matter about?
The petitioner participated in the first state level selection test. Petitioner has participated in the state level selection test 2016. And Millard,
You are praying for transfer.
no, Millard.
Then
Millard, I made an application for RTI. Please supply me a OMR sheet or scan OMR sheet. Millard, 3 times they have not given a reply. Thereafter, Millard,
when you made application for OMS sheet,
my lordship, page P1, Millard, lordship,
please tell me the date.
21, page 21, Millard.
2/2/23, lordship.
31st.
When the examination was held.
Examination was
2016.
held, Millard.
SLST 2016, Dr. Pal, when Dr. Patro, when examination was held.
This is with regard to work education.
SLST 2016 work education, yes.
The panel was ultimately published on 12th of December 2018. Panel expired on 11/12/2019.
12 December 2018 panel published.
Yes. And 11/12/2019 it expired. We have a specific rule that the OMRs or answer script will be preserved for 1 year. My lord,
Now, when the application was made for supply of OMR sheet, after the expiry of the panel or prior to that?
kindly see page 40. Page 40 and page 42. These are the replies.
But in pursuance of his lordship's order, Millard, they give a reply.
In a similar matter, my lord has already passed for an order dismissing.
Just a minute. So you did not come within the zone of consideration because your total marks was 71.
Yes, Millard, my question, Millard,
Petitioner obtained 71.
My lord.
Obtained by the candidate, it is said.
Yes.
Page 40.
Yes. The breakup is also given. OMR score was 40, academic score 31.
Millard,
Now the marks obtained by the last candidate for non in service.
Yes.
Is 82.
so Millard, I am asking 2 questions myself, Millard.
And for in service, you are whether the petitioner is in service candidate.
No.
No, Millard.
So therefore, the cutoff marks was 82.
This is prior
Was
to
71.
personality test.
So, but Millard, my question, Millard, I pray for OMR sheet at least.
But how today you can do this? After the expiry of the panel, you have no right.
My lord, only
After the expiry of the panel, you don't have any right to challenge the selection process.
7 January 2024, Millard, they read the scanned copy of OMR sheet and answer key is presently not traceable at this time. The copy will be provided after availability. And then, Millard,
Yes, copy will be provided.
after availability. Para 8, Millard, page 40.
Can copy the answer key is present traceable? Standard copy will be provided. Yes, but you have said that it will be provided after
That
availability.
is if it is traceable. If it is not traceable, I cannot provide it. That is why later on,
But
can you
scan
see the
copy,
next page? We have intimated that answer scripts were destroyed. You see page
but I'm
42.
saying for scan copy of the OMR sheet, Lord, and not how they calculated the 40 marks in OMR sheet. Because I have given the examination is very good, Lord. I cannot.
This challenge should have come prior to the personality test when you were disallowed to participate in the personality test. After personality test, panel published, counseling completed, all
Issue.
candidates.
My Lord,
Affidavit of service filed on behalf of the petitioner is taken on record. Next one. Petitioner participated in first state level selection test within bracket assistant teacher close bracket upper primary for being appointed as assistant teacher in work education.
working.
In work education. Stop.
My Lord, my Lord, I'm sorry to disturb.
Petitioner made application under Right to Information Act on 3rd January 2023 and 8 April 2023, seeking certain informations relating to participation of the petitioner in the aforesaid selection process. And in response thereto, Assistant Secretary and SPIO, West Bengal Central School Service Commission, vide memo dated 10 January 2024, informed the petitioner that he was awarded 71 marks, whereas last candidate who was called for personality test was awarded, whereas the last candidate was called for personality test obtained 82. Stop. After such information was disseminated, petitioner asked for OMR sheet, 2 copy of OMR sheet, which was declined by the Deputy Secretary and SPIO of the West Bengal Central School Service Commission, vide memo dated 27th February 2024, since same was destroyed. Stop. Petitioner claims supply of claims supply of 2 copy of OMR sheet in connection with the written test under first SLST 80 upper primary 2016. Next paragraph. It is
Clarifying work education. Separate from plain.
I have stated previously. I have stated. I have recorded. Next paragraph. Previously, next paragraph. It is submitted on behalf of West Bengal Central School Service Commission that petitioner has approached this court with this writ petition in 2025, whereas the panel was published on 12 December 2018 and the same expired on 11 December 2019. Stop. After expiry of the panel, OMR sheet of the respective candidate is not maintained or is not retained in the office of the commission, and the same is destroyed. Next paragraph.
As per the rule, 1 year from the date of publication of the.
Stop. It is also contended that as per the relevant rules, within a period of 1 year from the date of publication of panel, or beyond the period of 1 year from the date of publication of panel, OMR sheet is destroyed. Next paragraph. Having considered the relevant materials available on record and taking note of the submissions made on behalf of the respective parties, it appears that petitioner did not come within the zone of consideration, since petitioner obtained 71 marks in the selection test, whereas the last candidate who was called for the personality test obtained 82. Whereas the last candidate under the category of the petitioner, who was called for the personality test obtained 82. Stop. Question remains whether at this stage any direction can be given, or question remains at this stage whether mandamus can be issued upon the commission to submit to supply true copy of the OMR sheet or not. Stop. If petitioner would have approached this court within the lifetime of the panel, his prayer would have been considered, since it is contended specifically on behalf of the commission that commission is required to retain OMR sheets of respective candidates for a period of 1 year from the date of publication of panel. Stop. Indisputably, panel was published on 12 December 2018 and same expired on 11 December 2019, whereas the present writ petition has been instituted on 24th February 2025. Stop. Therefore, at this stage, no direction can be given upon the commission to produce OMR sheet. Stop. Next paragraph. In addition thereto, it is straight law that right of a candidate to question the validity of a selection process remains till the date of expiry of the panel. After the expiry of the panel, such right gets extinguished. Stop. In this regard, reliance is placed on the judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court, on the judgments of the Honorable Supreme Court reported in 1996 9 SSC 309 within bracket State of Uttar Pradesh and others versus Harish Chandra and others, and another reported in 2009 volume 2 SSC 706 within bracket Girdhar Kumar Dadhich and another versus State of West Bengal and others, State of Rajasthan and others. Next paragraph. In view of aforesaid scenario, no relief can be granted to the petitioner. Stop. Writ petition stands dismissed. Urgent Xerox certificate copy. Next.
Read to your lordship.
Item number 6,